What are some of the most effective for you? Like, what are some of the most effective strategies that businesses can use to reduce their energy consumption and improve their energy efficiency?
Ah, great. Good question. So firstly, they need to start measuring their energy use because if you're not measuring it, it's really hard to manage it. And this actually may not be as easy as you think, especially if you've got multiple sources of energy coming in. Um, what's really interesting though is if you're a large energy user, pretty well around the world, you can now get what's called interval data from your utility for electricity consumption. And that will tell you how much energy you're using, typically every 15 minutes or every half hour. And that can be super useful because then you get a profile at different times of day, different periods of the year, where you're using energy. And then straight away, once you start looking at that data, you can start thinking, well, what's happening here when my plant's not operating? Why are we using energy then? So you can start to, you know, manage it. So firstly, getting data and getting granular data is really important. And then once you've got the data, you need to know what to do. So as I said, that's perhaps getting some advice. And then a really effective strategy is actually taking action and
Yeah,
jumping in and
it
doing
should
a bit
be.
of an upgrade or getting your air conditioning contractor in to change the settings on your air conditioning system to save energy, stuff like that. So it's taking action, spending some money, and moving forward to actually save energy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more valuable insights on energy efficiency. Bye.